Now, in a clash between two neighborhood groups, Trinamool Congress MLA Abdul Khalik Mullah has in fact been beaten up by locals in Kolkata. The leader had to be rushed to a private hospital in the city after being injured as a result of the violence. Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim has in fact blamed the BJP for this attack on elected representatives of the TMC. These are visuals on your screens of that attack. Manogya is joining us with more details on this. Manogya, this incident, this assault has once again triggered a war of words between the BJP and the TMC. The TMC has already come out to state that there is a BJP hand in this, but do they have any proof to substantiate that?
Well, you really don't need any proof when it comes to political blame game. But as of now, on ground, it was a tussle between two groups of the local party itself who had been fighting and who had been asking for power and water supply that wasn't there for almost a week now. It was last Wednesday that cyclone Amphan had devastated parts of South Bengal, and it continues to remain so in several parts till now. The fact that there is power that has been restored in most of the parts of the city, but there are still pockets which need power supply, and that's the reason why there have been protests, because there is no water supply also because of the same. The challenges have been huge. The political analysis and the political blame game has been continuing. Even though TMC says that it is BJP behind this, BJP has negated the same. As of now, the MLA has been admitted in hospital, and there is tension in the area because even police had to face the brunt of the local people and their anger.
Okay, Manogya, thank you for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.